today I'm going to review Bespoke, which is a monthly subscription of Guys Goods. It comes in a box each month. You can mix and match your boxes or pick what you want in your box each month. My first one was a Christmas gift, and I got this kind of bar set here. It came with a mixing spoon with a muddler on the end of it, a jigger, and a strainer, and a shaker. So with that, I will tell you that the subscription is $45 a month, and we're going to get to the bottom of it and see if it's worth it. So the shaker is a Koriko, which I've looked up, and if I'm saying that right, Koriko, K-O-R-I-K-O. It is a pretty expensive bar set. Now, doing a little bit of investigation, I find out that the strainer, I don't believe is Koriko, so they might have saved a little money by giving you an off-brand strainer. And this jigger says Cocktail Kingdom, but this right here, I do believe, is probably worth the $45 alone. This, I think they just kind of saved a little bit on that. I've looked up a set of this on Koriko with also had a glass, and it was $109. So if it's worth it, I don't really know. I think it is. Well, this was my first one. So now I received my second box today. Bespoke. So you see Bespoke Post, I guess. I should have said Bespoke Post. You see the commercials all the time, but here it is, my second box. Knife right here. What I'd like to do is, every month get everything I've got and then add up the total. So this right here is going to be 1 minute. It's going to be basically $90 worth of product with the subscription. So $45 here, $45 there, and we're going to find out. I actually forgot what I put in my box for this month. I did look it up, and now I remember, and I think I'm going to be quite pleased. So, with it, you get a flyer. This is a switchback. How to build a fire yourself. All right. Little tag says enjoy. Paper. Oh. Ferro rod and a striker. What do we have here? A really, really small ferro rod. I'm going to say it's probably worth $1.99, maybe $2. Really, really small, if you can see that. Really small, but cool. Everybody should have a ferro rod in their car or in their bug out bag. So this is a starter stone ferrozeum rod. So digging in, we got more stuff. Here we have a LED lantern from Sprout. So this has a lanyard. Looks like you can hang up the top of your tent. Ferro rod over here. What else we have? Oh, looky here. We have a Mora. I don't know. Good luck with that.
So who got you that cool gift?
got the hanging off your belt clip here. There you go. There you go. Pretty cool. Nice little knife. And we're not done yet. We got more stuff. We've got a military compass, huh? This is from Wren. Wren, W-R-E-N, Wren. Military compass. Oh, this is nice. It's got some weight to it. Not cheaply made, I don't think. Pretty nice there. I think that's a really good compass. I'll have to look up that and let you know the value. All right, last thing. I think this is the anchor gift, if you will. This is the one that's really got me excited. It's the Wren Trifold Camp Shovel. All right. So this, which I have a military shovel. That was my dad's when he was in the Army. I use it all the time, and this is kind of like that. Yeah. There you go. Holds up. Here, there. There you go. The only thing I would have really liked with this shovel is if it would have come with a case, but here it is. It has no case. Kind of shaky, but that's it. That's all that's in my Bespoke Post box for this month. Get the garbage out of the way here, and we'll set up get our set here. So you got the shovel. You got the shovel, the ferro rod, the lantern, the knife with case, and the military compass. Get a good view of that. Each product there, close up. And so that's $45 worth of stuff. Whether it is or not, actually, I don't know, but I paid $45 for that. And I paid $45 for this. So each month, I would like to get everything together for as long as I have this subscription and put it together and see what we all think. So right here, basically, we're saying we have $95 worth of product. What do you think? Do you think this is $95 worth of product? I'm excited to get out in the woods and use this stuff. All right.
You're welcome.
My wife purchased this for me, by the way, if you can't tell.
I'm pretty sure it's only worth $90.
Oh, my daughter's telling me that it's only worth $90. What did I say?
95.
95. I'm sorry. It's $45. You're right. Good math. So $45 here on the first row, and $45 here on the back row. Next month, we'll see what we get. We never know. Will it be worth $45? And what would that be? 90 plus 45?
$135.
$135? Okay, well, we'll see what happens. If you know anything about any of these products, let me know. Comment below. If I was totally wrong about the strainer and it actually is a Corico, let me know. But any of these products that you see, if it's cheap, Is it worth it? Is it not? To me, I'm on the fence a little bit, but it definitely gets me excited every month, you know, when the box comes in and you open it up and you don't know what it is yet. So here we go. All right. Thanks for watching.